What if your Samsung S22 is completely fine, but the power button is broken? How can you turn the phone on without using that button? Many videos online recommend a special button combination. You hold the volume buttons, connect the phone to a computer or laptop, and wait for the download mode menu. Then you press volume down to restart the phone. This sounds like the perfect solution. However, there is a problem if you're using a newer Samsung with Android 15 or Android 16. The method shown in older tutorials may no longer work the same way. You might connect the cable, hold the buttons, and still be unable to boot the phone normally. So here's another method you can try. First, make sure the Samsung is still switched on. If it is, you don't actually need to shut it down manually. Instead, let the battery run down completely. If the screen is staying on, this will happen faster. You can simply leave the phone alone and wait. Eventually, when the battery reaches 0%, the Samsung will turn itself off automatically. Now take your regular charger and connect it directly to the phone. At this point, don't panic if the phone doesn't immediately start. Give it some time to charge. Depending on your Samsung model, you may see the charging animation first. After that, the phone may automatically boot into the Android system. This is one of the easiest things you can try when the power button is physically broken, and you don't need a PC, special applications, or complicated commands. Of course, not every Samsung model behaves exactly the same way. Some device may require additional interaction with the buttons, while others can start automatically when connected to a charger. But if you've already tried the popular download mode method and it doesn't work on your phone, this workaround is worth testing, especially if the problem appeared after updating the phone to a newer Android version. So remember, if the Samsung is still running, let the battery completely discharge, connect the charger afterward, and wait for the phone to start. If this worked on your device, write the model name below. And if you want more Samsung tutorials, subscribe to the channel.